Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSCK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video we'll be analyzing Colgate Palmolive, that is Colpal. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for further updates, and also join the Telegram channel. The link has been shared in the description box. Guys, the first thing what I want to check here is with the trend line, and also parallelly I'll be using this for the channel. Okay, now you can see here, this is a beautiful thing what I see here. What has happened is, in Colpal it has started hitting the upper side of the resistance level of this channel. Let me draw one trend line as well and see what is happening here. A vertical trend line. Okay, this is, let me tell you the reason also why I've drawn this. You can see here I've just attached this point. I've started from this high and I've attached to this point, and then this point is also attached here. I just want to see what is the maximum level I can see prices move up to. But on monthly chart, what I see is, in case price sustains above this high, that is 1676, we can probably expect 1800 to come in, provided price sustains above 1676. Now let me zoom this. Now you can see here what has happened in January and February. If you see these two candles, guys, it has formed something like a inside bar, right? So till 1676 doesn't breach, we can take trades above 1676. If price sustains above 1676, it looks good for the target of 1800 levels. So till it doesn't breach 1676, till price doesn't sustain above 1676, we got to be a little careful, because there are good chances prices can again reverse from here and start heading on the downside. This can also happen. Now, will this happen or not? Let's go and check out in weekly chart and daily chart. We'll have an idea. Okay, now as I've said you can see here, this is a weekly chart what I have drawn, guys. Okay, now as I've said you before, if price sustains above 1676, only then you got to be bullish. Now let us draw one more trend line here and see. Guys, remember, multi time frame analysis is very important. I can see here how prices have been sustaining at this trend line and bouncing every time. You can see here what has happened. Prices I've connected to this point, and then you can see here prices bounce from this level, again bounce from this level. So last 2 weeks we have seen price bouncing from this trend line. So in case this level breaks, that is 1676, we can very well expect 1800, the maximum target. Now before that we will have some support and resistance level as well. 1800 or 1805 will be the target. Before that, the resistance level what we have is somewhere around, okay, this high, that is 1642. I don't think so that's going to be an important support now. The reason price has to breach above this level itself, you can see here. Okay, now 1642 can also provide a good support in the near future. I'll explain you how. In case price breaches this level 1676, after breaching this level, we can expect prices to move down back to this level to take support, and then again turn up and start moving up slowly to the target of 1800 levels. And on the downside, guys, until and unless this trend line doesn't breach the uptrend line what I have drawn here, this Colpal doesn't look weak. Once it closes below this, then probably we can see for the momentum on the downside. But for now, Colpal looks bullish and it's good for the long side, only above 1676. This is a simple analysis what I have, guys. Now let me check out daily chart as well. Let's see what development is there in the daily chart. Yes, as I've said you, even on daily basis, 1649.75 is the high what it had made on Friday. Well guys, I feel 1676 is a good entry point. That can be a good entry point. above 16, if price sustains above 1676, yes, we can initiate a long position for target of 1800. And if in case price breaches 1800, then we can see for some more targets that I'll be updating you once price touches 1800 levels. This is all I have for Colpal. Colpal looks bullish. Make sure it breaches the important level, only then you initiate your trades, or else definitely you will be stuck in somewhere middle. Neither you can see any movement on the upside nor in the downside. This may go sideways, so it's best for us to wait for the prices to breach 1800 and then initiate a long trade. And for short term swing traders, guys, even if you see any breach above 1400 levels, that is 1000 once above 1649, if price closes above 1649 also, you can take a small trade for at least a target of 1676, and in case price closes above that, yes, you can hold on for further targets. So this is all I have for Colpal. I'll see you again in the next video, guys. In case you have any doubts in this video, you can drop in a comment. I'll try to solve that. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.